Hey guys, wanted to do a 3-year crash test video on this Crossway ESV Study Bible in mid brown goatskin. Before I get started, I want to mention that this Bible specifically is no longer available. However, they do have other options at evangelicalbible.com. They have the ESV Crossway Study Bible. Bound in some calfskin and I believe some other goatskin colors right now at the recording of this video, December 28th, 2023. So you can check that out. There will be a link in the description below to go to the website. I hope you guys can find one. Now again, this is not a review. This is mostly a crash test video to show how the Bible has been holding up. I use this weekly as I prepare sermons and study and just do devotions. And so this Bible is used very frequently. And being on almost its 4th year, I want to show you guys how it's holding up. Now, the cover itself looks just as it did when I bought it. There might be a nick or two that was not there, but most of this scarring was present when I bought the Bible. You will notice that there is a very small yap forming around the corners and the edges of the Bible. It's not very noticeable, but it is there. Looking at the spine, one thing I mentioned in my 2-year crash test is on this upper rib, there was some leather starting to not peel off, but be removed. That is now happening on the other ribs of the Bible as well, mostly on this right-hand corner, which I'm not sure why that is. But these are there to protect the spine itself, which they're doing very well. None of the imprintings in gold have rubbed off at all. They're all very much present. So that is good. These ribs are doing their job. Looking at the back of the Bible, same deal. Not much difference from when I bought the Bible. This goatskin holds up really, really well. Opening it up to the inner liner, there is nothing wrong with the edge line right here. There's no tearing happening just yet. I will say that there might be some happening here in the next few years, but I'll put something to reinforce that to help keep it strong. Now, one issue you'll see here is when I open the Bible, there's that edge line, and it's beginning to break through this thicker cardstock paper. And so that will be an issue again going forward. I will keep an eye on going into its 4th year. I'll probably put some adhesive tape right down here to keep that strong. And I believe it'll last for many more years to come. As far as the introduction pages, there's been no tears. There's been no separation in the text block. It's all very well and good, staying glued together. The pages themselves, some pages still look rather brand new, while others, which I'll show you in a minute, look very tattered. And of course, that is because I have not studied or used this Bible in this specific portion as much. So Deuteronomy, I have not really studied Deuteronomy out of this Bible. I've done some cross-referencing out of Deuteronomy in this Bible, but nothing too hardcore. So that's that. Moving along in the Psalms and Proverbs, you'll notice some more page wear. Getting into the New Testament Gospels and the epistles is really where I begin to see a lot of wear and tear. I did a expository study on Luke, and so I was in this probably every day for about 7 to 12 months. Can't remember how long the study went, but I was in my study Bible in Luke quite often. And one of the things I'll say about this Bible and the paper itself is the paper is very, very durable. And so the wear and tear that this paper experienced when I was doing that study, a lot of it has, in a sense, been healed. Now, I have not ripped any pages in Luke. That would, of course, not heal. But what I mean is that the ruffling of the paper, the finger imprints, just kind of the bends and the folds in the paper once that's once that's solidified in the Bible, once it's at a place where it's not being used as much, the paper begins to flatten. It begins to go back to its original form, which is very high appeal for this Bible. Presently, I'm in Philippians, and so I've been using my study Bible here in Philippians quite a lot, and it's been very helpful. Again, the paper is superb. It's thick. It's soft. It's very, very strong paper. Now, looking at the gilding on the Bible, you'll notice that there's a few water spots. The gilding is beginning to experience some significant wear and tear. Of course, it's not terrible. There's still quite a lot of gold. There's still quite a lot of that salmon color as well. But as it is, there's quite a bit of scratches and water droplets and all kinds of things in the gilding. Going to the back of the Bible here, again, you've got your maps on thicker cardstock. What typically happens with these bigger Bibles is there's a separation from the cardstock and the text block because there's more weight being taken that way, and so it separates, and that's not happened in the study Bible, which shows that the binding is very, very strong. I don't use these maps, but I in a sense, they're there to protect the text block. In my opinion, I don't use them at all. And then, of course, you've got your thicker cardstock back here, leaving to the end of the Bible. And again, we see that same tear happening in the back here as we did in the front. The ribbons themselves here, the ribbons are in quite exquisite, looking for the word. There is no wear and tear on these ribbons here. They are in good standing, and they've been used quite a bit. I'm not a big ribbon guy, so I typically use these little tab markers in my Bible, but they are doing well. Guys, overall, this Bible is absolutely incredible. It's worth the price. I can't remember what I paid for it. Probably a couple $100. If you're looking for a good study Bible and you read the ESV translation, or maybe you don't read the ESV translation, this is still quite the purchase that you should and can make. This is going to be a lifelong Bible for me. Again, if I was to only have one study resource, this is probably the one I would choose, with all the study notes, all the commentary, all the maps, all the various articles that are in this Bible. It is quite functional and just a great resource to have on your bookshelf. Again, guys, I will drop a link in the description below to evangelicalbible.com where you can pick something similar up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.